How's it going, everyone? It's GadgetsBoy. Welcome to another video. Now it's Intel Gamer Days, and in this one we're going to be exploring the Intel 11th Gen based ASUS ROG Zephyrus M16 GU603. Before we do that though, if you're new around here, please do subscribe. We make videos all about tech, whether it's we featuring them, reviewing them, whether it's in phones, laptops, cars, you name it, it's all here. And if you're interested in that kind of video, please do subscribe and smash the like button and share it at the end as well if you find it useful. Let's get back to it. You may be asking what Intel Gamer Days is all about. Well, it's a day of premier PC gaming shopping opportunity of the year that brings together many of the top names in PC gaming running till the 5th of September. You get access to the best savings of the year on elite Intel-based desktop PC and laptop gaming systems and components, and there will be tons of great prizes being given away as well. And if you want to know what an Intel-based gaming laptop is all about, then this video is for you, so you should watch it all the way through. The Zephyrus M16 has the new Intel Core i9-11900H processor, a driving force vital to playing games the way we were meant to experience them, with elite gaming experience and seamless streaming. Before we dive in deeper, let's check out the design though. It's ultra slim, sleek, with subtle hints that lets you show others that you mean business. To the left of the laptop, you have a power port, full HDMI 2.0B to connect to external displays, for example, Ethernet port for fast and uninterrupted online gaming and streaming experience, a full USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A port, two USB Type-C ports, one of which is Thunderbolt 4, and a 3.5mm headphone and microphone ports for chatting with your friends online. On the right side, there's a full USB-A port, a micro SD card slot for the creators who want to edit their drone footage, for example, and a Kensington lock. So basically, you have plenty of ports available to connect all your peripherals as you wish to do so. Towards the back of the laptop, you have the heat dissipation area with gaming-esque grille design with 3 LED light indicators, with the middle one lighting up when it's plugged in, for example. You'll also notice that the laptop lid goes all the way flat, giving you all the flexibility when it comes to viewing angles. The laptop lid also features a 720p webcam and 2 microphones on either side. Flip it over, and under the laptop you have all it needs to keep it nice and cool, especially when under pressure or heavy load. You get 84 blade arc flow fans, 6 heat pipes coverage, and liquid metal thermals, and it really remains cool when gaming especially. It's 16-inch WQXGA, so that's 2560 by 1600 display, comes with gaming and content creation in mind, with an anti-glare finishing, 100% DCI-P3 coverage, 165Hz refresh rate, and for those quick reaction games, it has 3 milliseconds response time too. Look below the display, and moving on to the keyboard, you have the quick launch keys like the Armory Create button up top, and buttons to quickly change volume or mute the microphone. You also have the Aura key for changing the RGB backlit keyboard, which looks great because you can make the laptop yours. The F5 key also doubles up as a fan button to change the way the laptop fan behaves, depending on whether you're gaming or just casually browsing, and the power button also has a fingerprint sensor integrated to quickly log in to your laptop. The trackpad is large and precise should you not be using external gaming tools, and the soft finishing on the palm rest area is comfortable for long use. On either side of the keyboard, you also have speakers that are loud, although you want to plug in your headphones for a better experience. It has a 2 2-watt tweeters and 4 2-watt woofers setup. The keyboard itself is very nice to type on, and it has great key travel for typing fast, and it's well spaced so you're not stretching your fingers between keys. No dedicated numbers pad though, but that's expected. More on the laptop performance. As well as the powerful Intel i9 processor, there's also 16GB DDR4 onboard memory, 2TB M.2 NVMe SSD for storing and saving your gameplays. It runs on a 90Wh battery, but I mostly have my laptop plugged in, especially when gaming. And you also get a 240W AC adapter to charge it back up quickly. For graphics, it's packed with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 GPU with ROG boosts of up to 1390 MHz at 80W and 100W with dynamic boost. You get the option for real-time ray tracing and AI-powered DLSS, boosting frame rates without compromising image quality. So, as you can see, so much power, so much specifications on paper, but how does that actually translate into the real world use? Putting the laptop through 3D Mark and PC Mark 10, it scores highly, delivering some excellent results when it comes to power management and great graphics performance when it comes to frame rates and AAA games. Put it through PC Mark 10 and its Intel i9 processor is no slacker, delivering a premium and pro performance for anyone who wants to game, edit 4K videos and edit photos anywhere. It's well above average in its class, and you can snap this up during the Intel Gamer Days as well as other Intel powered devices out right now. Playing one of my favorite games, which is Forza Horizon 4, it loaded with no hiccups whilst running Google Chrome with multiple tabs in the background, no lags, no tearing in graphics, and switching in and out of browsing and back to gameplay was super smooth as well. One of my favorite features on ROG laptops is the ability to tune the system and personalize it And using Armory Crates, not only can you see how your system's performing, you can also adjust the RGB keyboard lighting, system performance settings to match your activity, gaming visuals for best graphics mode, and even create scenario profiles. So what do we think? Is this a worthy gaming laptop? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to find out more about Intel Gamer Days, then hit the link in the description area and you can also bag yourself a deal in there as well. But in the meantime, if this is your first time around here, please do smash the like button and share it, and also subscribe and hit the bell notification so every time there's a video like this, you get to be notified every time I upload those. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.